Here are some methods to fix Facebook website, no internet connection. This photo will be uploaded to your story when your connection improves. Error on Windows PC Chrome browser problem. Step-by-step detailed solution. Clear browser cache and cookies. Sometimes, corrupted browser data can cause playback issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies to refresh the website's data. Here's how. Press Ctrl Shift Delete or Cmd Shift Delete on Mac to open the Clear Browsing Data menu. Select Cookies and Other Site Data and Cached Images and Files. Click on Clear Data to clear the cache and cookies. Update Chrome. Make sure you're using the latest version of the Google Chrome browser. Outdated browsers may have compatibility issues with streaming services. To update Chrome, click on the three dots menu in the top right corner. Go to Help About Google Chrome. Chrome will check for updates and install them if available. Disable browser extensions. Browser extensions can sometimes interfere with the playback. Try disabling any extensions you have installed and see if the issue is resolved. You can disable extensions by going to Chrome//extensions/. Check for VPN or proxy. If you're using a VPN or proxy service, it may affect your ability to stream content. Try disabling any VPN or proxy and see if that resolves the issue. Switch to incognito mode. Open an incognito or private browsing window in Chrome and try accessing Facebook again. This will disable extensions and might help identify if an extension is causing the issue. Update graphics drivers. Outdated or incompatible graphics drivers can cause problems. Ensure your graphics drivers are up to date. You can typically update them through your computer's manufacturer's website or the graphics card manufacturer's website. Check internet connection. A slow or unstable internet connection can lead to issues. Make sure you have a stable and fast internet connection. Try a different browser. If the issue persists, try using a different web browser to access Facebook. This can help determine if the problem is specific to Chrome. Contact Facebook support. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, it may be a problem on Facebook's end. Contact their customer support for further assistance. They may have specific recommendations or be able to address any server-side issues causing the problem. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve the error on Facebook or in Chrome. Like the video and subscribe to TechSoar.